Hello everyone. In this class, we'll learn the amazing short trick on the topic profit and loss so that you can solve the question on this topic in your competitive exam very easily in a quick time. So look at the trick. Okay, so this trick contains the only these four numbers, and this trick you can apply whenever some number of quantity is brought in some different price and you are selling that quantities different quantities in different prices. Okay, so in the left hand side we will always write the number of quantities that is brought in which price. Okay, quantity, and the right hand side prices, and the down row we will write how many quantities we are selling and their price. Okay, so this is a matrix, and the trick is here we to do the cross multiplication, nothing else. This into this minus this into this. So look at the formula. So the formula is also very simple. We have four numbers: quantity, that purchased, and the price. Then second row, the quantity that we are selling and that price. So we have to multiply in the cross. So quantity which is purchased multiply by this price minus quantity which is selling multiply by this price. And denominator, always this is denominator is very important. In the denominator we have to write down always the cost price. Okay, cost side ng, and multiply by 100. So we have to use this formula in the numerator, this minus sign, this cross multiplication with minus sign in the middle, and denominator is always cost price of the side end. Okay, so suppose our answer is positive, then we are in profit, and if your answer is negative, then we are in loss. Let's start with the example. So look at the first question. A fruit seller buys lemons at 4 for 5 rupees. Okay, so 4 lemon at 5 rupees. So this is the quantity 4 and the price is 5. So we'll write in the left hand side 4 quantities at 5 price, and sells them at 5 for 7. Okay, so 5 quantity and price is 7. So this is our matrix is done. So the question is, what is his profit or loss percent? Okay, so 4 quantity at 5 rupees and selling is 5 quantity at 7. So we'll do the cross multiplication. No need to write the formula also. 7 into 4, which is nothing but 28, then minus 5 into 5, which is nothing but 25, divided by the cost. Okay, this thing you have to take 5 into 5, so 25, multiply by 100. Okay, so 28 minus 25, which is nothing but 3 upon 25 into 100. So if we cancel out 25 fours are 100, so 3 fours are nothing but 12, and our answer is positive. So yes, we are in profit, and the profit percent is 12%. Okay, so correct answer for this question is 12%. Look at the next question. A person buys bananas at 6 for rupees 10. So this is the quantities. So we'll write in the left hand side number of quantities, which is 6, and price is 10, and sells them at 4 for rupees 6. So 4 quantity they are selling, which are rupees 6. So again we'll do the cross multiplication. The first step, 6 into 6, 36, then minus 4 into 10, 40, divided by this 4 into 10 only, that is 40. Okay, so for 36 minus 40, which is nothing but negative 4, upon 40 multiplied by 100. Okay, so if we cancel out 4 tens are 40, and this 10 tens are 100, so we are getting with negative sign minus 10. So answer we are getting in negative, that means we are in loss, and loss percent is nothing but 10%. The correct answer is 10% loss. Okay, so by using just simple cross multiplication, you can find out profit percent or loss percent. No need to apply the formula also. But the thing is, you have to write down the correct way, left side quantities and right side prices. Look at the next one. A shopkeeper purchases erasers at 8 for rupees 15. Okay, so quantities are 8 and rupees is 15. And then what? Sell 10 erasers of rupees 18. Okay, so quantity is 10 and selling is 18 price. So we'll do the again cross multiplication. 8 multiplied by 18, which is 144, minus 10 multiplied by 15, which is nothing but 150, divided by 150, this into this. So 144 minus 150, which is nothing but minus 6 upon 150 into 100. So if we cancel out this 0 and 0, then 5 2s are and 5 3s are. So 3 2s are 6. So we'll get 2 2s are 4 with negative sign. So the answer is 4% and minus sign shows it is loss. So the answer is 4% loss. Correct answer is C. Look at the next one. The dozen tray. Okay, so the question is a vendor buys eggs at rupees 36 per dozen. Okay, so dozen means what? 12 quantities. Okay, so you have to write down the quantity first in the left hand side. So 12 bananas at rupees 36. Okay, and sells them at 8 for 26. Okay, so quantity is 8 and price is 26. So 8 bananas at price 26. So we'll again do the cross multiplication. So 12 into 26, which is nothing but 312, minus 8 into 36, that is 288 upon 288. So 312 minus 288, which is plus 24 upon 288 multiplied by 100. So if we cancel out these numbers, then we'll get 1 by 12. Okay, so we cannot cancel out full, so we'll get answer in decimal. So that means option number B and D is wrong. And we are getting positive answer, that means it is profit, not loss. Okay, so if you look at the options, this two option is already get cancelled. Okay, and positive sign denotes profit, that means this option number C is also cancelled, so no need to solve actually full. Option number A is the correct answer. Okay, so like this trick you have to apply in your exam. Next question. A trader buys trophies at 25 for rupees 1. So quantity is 25, price 1, and sells them 15 for rupees 1. So quantity is 15 and price is 1. So do the cross multiplication. 25 into 1, which is 25, minus 15 ones are 15 upon 15. So 25 minus 15, which is 10 upon 15 multiplied by 100. Okay. So if we cancel out 5 2s are 5 3s are. So 2 by 3 into 100. So 2 by 3 is nothing but actually approx 0.66. If you multiply by 100, we will get 66.67%. Okay. Otherwise, if you don't no need to cancel out this full thing. Positive answer means profit. That means this option is wrong. Okay. So in the three options we have profit percent, but 2 by 3 we cannot solve the full thing. We'll get answer in decimal. Okay. That means this option is also wrong. This option is also wrong. So the correct answer is B. Next question. The classic trait number look identical but are flipped. Okay, so the question is like this. A boy buys candies at 3 for rupees 2. So quantity is 3, price 2, and sells them 2 for 3. Okay, so there is nothing confusion because we are using this matrix trait. So quantities are 2 and price is 3. So do the cross multiplication. 3 3s are 9, minus 2 2s are 4 upon 4. So 9 minus 4, 5 upon 4 multiplied by 100. So we can cancel out this 4 and 100. 25 4s are. So 5 into 25, which is 125%. So it is positive, so 125% profit. So option number C is the correct answer. So I hope this trick is helpful for you for your exam. Okay. This is a table that you can go through it. So if you like this video and trick, then share with your friend and subscribe to watch more such tricks. Thank you.